find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Don't forget folding line while cutting. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. This pattern is suitable only for stretchy fabrics. Sew together front and back parts. Sew side seams and crotch seam. I suggest sew this with serger. If you don't have it, you can use zigzag stitch. For lining, I cut and sew everything the same as for the main part. Now I have 2 identical layers. Connect both layers, pin and sew neckline and seam under the arm. Connect both layers on leg holes, and sew it with flat seamer or zigzag stitch. Here I sew straps. I sew straps by hand. Measure the length on your figure before sewing.